All right, guys, doing some test and tune on the V3 Spec Racer. So these are kind of the first purpose-built, setup for a routed track V3 Spec Racers that I've done. I've already run this one just to get my tire sizes correct for what I would call our standard, standard build out. Cars are rockets, super fast. So, hopefully you guys can see me right. But yeah, I mean, these things, balanced arm, independent fronts, running a 330 front, the Razor front tire on our, it's a 330 Razor front independent setup. And then we're running the all new Phantom 420 rear. So we launched the 412 Phantom last month, and this month we have all of the sizes available. Just added them yesterday. Some of you guys have already been buying them, but this is an alternative to the Albino. Let's see, come on, there we go. So it's a gray tire. It's really fast. It's same hardness as the Albino, but it is a different silicone. So it does run differently, but so far super happy with this setup. And we're gonna go through and run these ones real quick. So a typical V-Spec X runs 2 7s and 2 8s. So same magnet package as these, but no balanced arm and none of the other goodies. So I just ran, in 9 laps, ran a 243. So plenty fast. That's neutral timed also. I actually squeezed a 2.2, or John squeezed a 2.2 out of one of the other cars, the test car earlier. But they are very fast and very comfortable to drive. This one is heading to Colorado tomorrow. So you can hear really good RPMs. Very comfortable. So 243.7. The other car ran a 243.6. So really comfortable. Real good pickup shoe wear. Very happy with these setups. Again, too, for those that are watching this that kind of don't know what you're looking at here. This is a purpose-built race car. It is made to go fast. It's made to stick to the track, but it's also made within the rules. So the magnet package and the armature power, all that stuff is balanced out. And so we are trying to squeeze the most out of that combination. So this is a 5.8 ohm arm, which is basically a similar spec to what you'd find in the old Tyco, the old G+. This is just the pinnacle version of that. So the race version, it's balanced, TrudeCom, all that stuff. It's not a modified armature at all. I mean, meaning that it's not a low ohm armature. This magnet package also is the Spec Racer package, which is made to be within the Spec Racer rules. So it's not a super strong magnet package. It's just a very well balanced, well-built car. And as you can see, nice shoe wear on all of those. But these guys are done. So one of these is actually spoken for. The other two, if you're interested in a Hopra Spec Racer, let me know. I have 2 of these available right now, so they are good to go. So hopefully you guys have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.